Minister of Manipur N. Biren stated that a person without a sense of patriotism is worthless. Addressing the 128 Patriots Day observance, N. Biren asserted that we should not forget the brave sons who laid down their lives to save the motherland from the clutches of the British. Following their footsteps and paying tribute to the heroes are the right ways to show their respects. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observed the 128 Patriots Day at Imphal Congress Bhavan, PT Road, Imphal today. Former Chief Minister O. Ibobi Singh, former Deputy Minister Gai Khangam and other Congress leaders paid floral tribute to the photographs of B. Tikendrajit and Thangal General, the true patriots. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangha, Imphal Jilla also observed the Patriots Day at Lamyan Basanglen, Imphal. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Gai Khangam said that Jammu and Kashmir won't exist without Article 370. He stated this while talking to reporters on the sidelines of a function at the Congress Bhavan in Imphal. As a part of security measures being taken up by Bishnupur District Police ahead of upcoming Independence Day celebration, a team of Bishnupur Police Commandos and 5 J&K Rifles carried out such operation at Sadar Jaut, Monbung and Mananjang village under Nambol Police Station this morning. Reportedly, police team verified persons belonging to 45 households in the area. However, no one was picked up. A 19-member Pancake Silla team of Manipur left Imphal today to participate in the upcoming Junior National Pancake Silla Championship 2019 to be held at Amritsar, Punjab from August 18 to 21. Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited Vice Chairman K. Sarat Kumar today inaugurated Jiri Green Mission under Green Revolution, organized by Friendly Environmental Warriors Jirba. 5 persons have gone missing after a mechanized country boat capsized in the Beki River in Lower Assam's Barpeta district. The boat carrying 11 persons capsized in the river at Kalampur near Kalgachia in Barpeta district